Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Safety starts at home, and choosing the right protection is crucial. The best hardwired smoke alarms ensure constant monitoring with reliable power and advanced sensors. Stay informed, stay safe, and give your family the security they deserve. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Kidde 30 CUR. First up, we've got the Kidde 30 CUR. This one's a real multitasker because it doesn't just alert you to smoke, it also detects carbon monoxide. That means you're essentially getting two important safety devices in one package, which helps keep ceilings less cluttered and maintenance simpler. It's wired directly into your home's 120V system, and when the lights go out, two AA batteries keep it running. Another thing worth mentioning is its smart design for reducing those nuisance alarms. Nobody likes when the toast burns a little and suddenly the alarm goes off, right? This model is tuned to recognize the difference between harmless kitchen smoke and real threats. There's also interconnection capability, which means if one alarm picks up danger, every alarm in your system goes off at the same time. Visual signals help too. Green means it's working fine, amber shows an error, and red tells you it is detected smoke or CO. Add in its self-testing feature and a loud 85 decibel siren, and it's clear why this unit is a favorite. It's built to meet strict UL and FCC standards, so it's not just reliable, it's certified safe.
Number 2. First Alert 9120B. All right, moving on to number 2, the First Alert 9120B. This one is all about straightforward smoke detection. It uses ionization sensing, which is especially quick at detecting fast-flaming fires. Think of situations where a fire starts suddenly and spreads rapidly. This alarm is tuned for that. It runs on household wiring, but has a battery backup to keep things covered when power goes out. For convenience, the design includes a side-loading battery compartment. That way, you don't need to remove the alarm when it's time to replace the battery. A single button makes testing and silencing really simple. Tap it once to check it's working or quiet down a nuisance alarm. One of the practical touches here is the tamper-resistant bracket, which keeps it securely installed. The universal mounting hardware is also helpful for ceiling or wall setups. When it goes off, you'll hear an 85 decibel T3 pattern, the kind of sound sequence used by emergency professionals, so it's hard to ignore. You can buy it individually or grab a 6-pack if you want to outfit your whole home quickly. Overall, it's a no-fuss, dependable pick.
Number 3. First Alert SC9120B. Coming in at number 3, we have the First Alert SC9120B. Think of this as the upgraded sibling of the 9120B. It not only detects smoke, but also carbon monoxide, giving you broader protection. Like the previous model, it's hardwired, but has a 9-volt battery backup. The interconnection option makes it possible for multiple alarms to work together. So if one sounds off in the basement, the bedroom unit will go off too. That's extra peace of mind when you're asleep. It's simple, but it means you can check it regularly and silence false alarms without fuss. Plus, it has separate latching indicators to tell you if it went off due to smoke or CO, which is actually a big deal. You'll immediately know what type of hazard you're facing. With a 10-year limited warranty and a proven track record, it's a strong option for anyone who wants both fire and carbon monoxide protection in a single device.
Number 4. Kidde 20SAR. Next on the list is the Kidde 20SAR, a model that focuses on reliability while keeping things simple. This one uses photoelectric technology, which is excellent at detecting smoldering, slow-burning fires. It runs on AC power with 2 AA batteries standing by for outages. When triggered, it alerts with 3 long beeps and a flashing red LED, so it's both loud and visually noticeable. It has self-testing circuits to keep tabs on its own condition and will alert you if something isn't working properly. A hush button adds convenience when you just need to silence it temporarily. 3 LED indicators, green, amber, and red, give you clear, instant feedback about its status. Meeting the latest UL standards, it's built to be both compliant and dependable. It's a solid, modern choice for people who want reliable fire detection without extra complications.
Number 5. The Kidde i4618AC. Finally, we've got the Kidde i4618AC. This is another smoke-only model, but it shines when it comes to ease of maintenance and installation. The best part? Its front-loading battery compartment. That means no more taking the alarm down from the ceiling just to swap batteries. This simple design choice makes upkeep so much easier. It's also equipped with a hush button for nuisance alarms and quick connect wiring harnesses that save time during installation. Once it detects smoke, the alarm gives off a loud, unmistakable warning that prompts immediate action. It meets safety standards and has all the essentials you'd want in a straightforward, dependable alarm. Whether you're upgrading older units or installing a new construction, the i4618AC is designed to give reliable protection without the headaches. Keeping your home safe starts with the right protection. These top-rated hardwired smoke and carbon monoxide alarms provide reliable monitoring for smoke and carbon monoxide with easy installation, battery backups, and interconnect features for full coverage. Ensure your family's safety today and enjoy peace of mind knowing every corner of your home is protected.